Changing your password on Kayak is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password securely. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Kayak website or open the app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Password Change option. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Change Password or Security. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new passwords. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Make sure to remember your new password and consider using a password manager for added security.